Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I bought a portable monitor with touch on AliExpress. They did ship it like this. I removed the address sticker, but other than that they shipped it like this. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, so let's see. We have the product manual. Okay, description of the on-screen menu. So, USB-A to USB Type-C and another USB-A to USB Type-C. I think one of them that you need them for the touch functionality. So Type-C to Type-C. Please connect this port to our product. Okay. Power supply. And 5 volts, 2 amps, 10 watts. And HDMI cable. And that's it. So here we have the monitor itself. Doesn't feel too heavy, but I think it's also because it doesn't have a battery. Okay, so we have USB port, some buttons. Perhaps this is where a status LED is. There's some rubber feet. This looks like speakers. The HDMI port, 2 USB Type-C ports, and a headphone. So I think this is a USB pass-through, but I'm not really sure about that. And there is, okay, feels a bit fragile, but so let's see if it will work like this. Okay, so let's try to set it up and then we'll see if it works. So see you after the break. So I tried it with one of my single board computers, but I wasn't able to get that working so quickly, but oops. Yep. It is working with my Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. So for instance, I can control it from the touchscreen from the monitor itself. So the touchscreen is working. So I have to investigate further if I can make it work with one of my single board computers, but it looks like the monitor is working with touch functionality. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.